Alright, I've had this pressure cooker running now for exactly 5 minutes, so says the counter on the pressure cooker. With pushing the buttons and stuff, I find it rather difficult and to understand how to do so. The instructions didn't help me out as much as I would have liked, so I've just been like pushing buttons trying to make it work. I know that's probably for pressure cooker, but because I've been cooking chicken and meat, I keep clicking this button. Temperature, then you click this when you want to start it, and that just the time and whatnot, and that's as much as I figured out. Then you got the screw top here where it got to lock in so it falls in so it can be a secure tight seal. Back here it's got this water catcher, which I haven't seen get full of water yet, so I don't know what it really does. And this here is where the steam comes out. That scared me a little bit. Yeah, probably not the smartest thing in the world to go and touch it. I have brown sugar, soy sauce, and frozen chicken pieces in here. And it's, like I said, it's only been cooking, well now it's been cooking 6 minutes. But I smell it already, and I started smelling it at 2 minutes in. And oh my gosh, it smells so delicious. This is not something you're going to get from a crock pot. A crock pot takes several hours before it even starts even doing anything. And you're like 5 hours into a roast, you're like, are you ever going to actually cook? And then 3 hours later it's done. But this thing here, it's cooking stuff much faster time, which is epic. And it's giving delicious results, nothing dry so far. This is my second time using it today, and I'm not using it today. This is my second time using it. Today is my second time using it. Yes, let me repeat that so it makes more sense. And I think it's great. And then up here on the top they've got instructions. It says do not touch, so obviously don't do what I did and just touch it. But I love it so far. I can't wait to use it even more. Thanks for watching.